Do you know that you and I are a part of this complex society? Do you know that your actions affect this society? Do you want to make something for your community for a positive change? Well, stay tuned on this tutorial to find the steps how. Step 1. Why do you want to develop a social project? First, you have to ask yourself, what's the aim of developing this social project? You need to have a clear vision and purpose on what you want to do. For example, before your action, you need to sit and think, why do I do it for? Step 2. What needs to be changed in the world around you? Take a look around. Find the needs of your society. Research and collect data. If necessary, discuss it with the locals and the people of need. What will be the benefit for the community? Step 3. Who can make a social project? Anyone who is motivated or brave enough to make a change and be a doer. A group of people with a great vision who want to have an impact on others. Step 4. How to develop a plan and a timeline. You start by measuring your goals and setting deadlines. You have to be very specific and follow accordingly. Prioritize your tasks and have self-discipline. Step 5. When should you start? Whenever you feel ready to take action. Make sure you have a team and lots of passion to work all together for the common vision. It's good to share the tasks within the team and get prepared to work hard. Step 6. How much money do you need? Every project needs funds. It's up to you to decide what's your budget and how it can get funded. There are several ways, like organizing fundraising events, charity work, sponsors, government grants, or crowdfunding. Step 7. Implementation. That's the moment you are taking action. All of the above are coming alive. Here your thoughts become reality, and now you can say you have a social project. Don't forget to share it with the world through media, events, word of mouth. The more people know about it, the bigger the project becomes. Thank you guys for watching and hope you find these tips helpful.